Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are discussing about motion of a body on horizontal surface, and we have derived the equations for acceleration and the work done, and also time taken by the body to come to rest position and displacement of the body before coming to rest position also. Now today we are going to discuss about the motion of a body on an inclined plane. So for that, consider a body of mass m on the inclined plane with coefficient of friction mu k. Let alpha is the angle of repose. For example, when theta is less than alpha, the body is in the rest position and the body will be having static friction. When theta is equal to alpha, the body is ready to move on the inclined plane but not moving. Here there will exist static friction that is called as limiting friction. When theta is greater than alpha, the body slides down on the inclined plane and there exists kinetic friction. Now consider the situation when the body is sliding down on the inclined plane. The forces acting on the body are the weight of the body W is equal to mg, the normal reaction R is equal to mg cos theta, the static frictional force Fs is equal to mg sin theta, and the kinetic frictional force Fk is equal to mu k into R, that is equal to mu k into mg cos theta. Now we have to calculate the net force acting on the body. So the net force acting on the body, it is nothing but F is equal to Fs minus Fk, that is nothing but static frictional force minus kinetic frictional force. Now in this substituting the values, F is nothing but equal to ma, and Fs is nothing but equal to mg sin theta, and Fk is nothing but equal to mu k into mg cos theta. So we can write it as ma is equal to mg sin theta minus mu k into mg cos theta. So in that, in the next step we can write ma is equal to, we can take mg common, so mg common, sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So again in the next step will be cancelled, so we can write it as a is equal to g common sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So this is the formula when the body is sliding down on a rough inclined plane. Remember, it is sliding down on a rough inclined plane. If at all we want to calculate the acceleration when the body is sliding down on a smooth inclined plane, then the coefficient of friction value should be made 0, because on smooth inclined plane friction force will not be there, so mu k value becomes 0. So in that equation, if you are substituting mu k is equal to 0, then the acceleration formula becomes a is equal to g into sin theta minus 0, that is nothing but a is equal to g sin theta. So two formulas we got. One is when the body is sliding down on a rough inclined plane, a is equal to g common sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Second one, when the body is sliding down on a smooth inclined plane, that is simply acceleration a is equal to g into sin theta. And in the next class, we'll try to discuss when the body is sliding up on a rough inclined plane, and also when the body is sliding up on a smooth